If your paragraph in Microsoft Word is sitting too far from the margin, the fix is usually very simple, and in this video I'll show you the fastest way to move it closer without messing up the rest of your document. This is a super useful trick, whether you're formatting an essay, a report, a letter, or just trying to make your document look cleaner and more professional. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more easy word tips just like this. Let's jump in. First, open your document in Microsoft Word and select the paragraph that you want to move closer to the margin. You can click and drag over the text, or if it's just one paragraph, you can place your cursor anywhere inside it. Once the paragraph is selected, look up at the top of Word and go to the Home tab. On the Home tab, find the Decrease Indent button. This is the button that reduces the indentation of the paragraph and brings it closer to the left margin. When you click it, Word will shift the paragraph left a little bit. If the paragraph is still too far over, you can click it again until it lines up the way you want. This method is especially helpful if the paragraph was pushed in by accident, or if you copy text from another document and the spacing looks off. It's also a great way to quickly clean up formatting without changing the entire page layout. Just remember, the Decrease Indent button affects the selected paragraph, so if you want to adjust only one section, make sure only that text is highlighted. If clicking Decrease Indent doesn't give you the exact spacing you want, you can also fine-tune it by checking the ruler at the top of the page. If the ruler is visible, you may see indentation markers that control where the paragraph starts. Dragging those markers slightly toward the margin can give you a more precise result. But for most cases, the Decrease Indent button is the quickest and easiest solution. You can also use this same method to adjust multiple paragraphs at once. Just highlight all the paragraphs you want to move, then click Decrease Indent on the Home tab. Word will shift them together, which is perfect if you're formatting a section of text and want everything aligned consistently. If your paragraph still seems too far from the margin after that, check whether there are any bullet points, numbering, or extra paragraph settings applied. Sometimes the spacing is controlled by list formatting or bare style, not just regular indentation. In that case, clicking Decrease Indent may bring it closer, but you may need to adjust the style settings as well. Once you've moved the paragraph where you want it, take a quick look at the page to make sure the alignment looks clean and readable. A small change in indentation can make a huge difference in how polished your document appears. That's really all there is to it. So to recap, select the paragraph, go to the Home tab, and use Decrease Indent to move it closer to the margin in Word. It's fast, easy, and one of the simplest formatting fixes you can do. If this video helped you, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and check out the next tutorial for more Microsoft Word tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.